Hello everyone, and welcome to ArmA-CasT. This week, we're going to be looking into the helicopters DLC. That is right, we have two new helicopters coming our way on November 4th. And let's start off by looking at the first helicopter here, which is a CH-67, a modernized version of the Chinook, the original Chinook. And it looks pretty good. Just from this one shot here, the interior looks nice, and it just looks overall a lot better than the original. And taking a look at our next helicopter, the Mi-290, this is a very interesting helicopter. It looks kind of funky and weird, but it has a lot of cool new features that the ArmA series hasn't seen before, just in the vanilla version, such as the ability to lift vehicles and supplies. And this helicopter can act in many roles. It can act as transport, or transporting supplies or vehicles, light vehicles, on its sling. And it's a very interesting helicopter. Expect this DLC pack November 4th for $15.99. That's all we have for this ArmA-CasT. Thanks for watching, and as always, have an awesome day.